We have no plans to mandate masks, but with what is going on today, if people want their kids to stay in school and schools not have to close down, not because of what the state says or medical people say, but they want their kids to be able to stay in school so the teachers will be able to teach. Kids will not be out a lot. School bus drivers will not be out a lot. The best way to do that is to wear a mask. And, you know, we're into a very difficult period of time right now. We're seeing the Delta variant that is driving most of the hospitalizations, we believe. We're also seeing the Omicron, which we know spreads very, very quickly and is spreading across the state of Ohio. It's much more contagious. So again, I would urge everyone to think about kids go back to school on Monday. Parents, have your child wear a mask. I know that's people don't want to do that, but that is the safest thing. And for school superintendents and school boards, school administrators, please consider putting the mask mandate on if you don't already have it on, at least for a few weeks while we are at this great surge. We don't have practical ability to really put on a statewide mask order at this point. I don't think it's appropriate at this point. We have the vaccine, we have the tools. But I would really urge for the schools to do what we have seen the children's hospitals said today. Very, very strong letter, very, very powerful letter. Children's hospitals saying, please, please have a mask mandate on when kids start back to school on Monday.
Next question is from Dan DeRose at WOIO in Cleveland.
Good afternoon, Governor. Kind of on that same topic, it was just announced by the Cleveland Metropolitan School District that they are going remote next week, that they will take that first week at least to keep kids at home. Is this something you see happening more and more across the state? Is this something you would hope would happen because of this latest surge?
Look, I think none of us want to see kids out of school. We want kids in school. I won't go through all the reasons why we need kids in school, but that's been articulated very well. It's been particularly articulated by pediatricians and particularly articulated by our children's hospitals. So what I would prefer is people listen to our children's hospitals in Ohio. And what the children's hospitals in Ohio are saying is wear a mask. They're saying require masks for your school. They're not saying close schools. They want your kids in school just as much as you want your kids in school. But our children's hospitals are begging you, knowing what Omicron has done in other countries, they're saying, please have children wear masks. And even for schools that have not done this for a while, I would ask them to consider it. It will make a difference. But we want our kids in school.